Hello guys, today on Kids Dream Toys we got the Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Goofy's Hat book. Come read with us. Hi everybody, can you say Miska Muska Mickey Mouse? Let's go to the clubhouse. Mickey takes a picture with his camera. Everybody smiles for the camera, but Goofy does not smile. Why not? Oh no, Goofy lost his hat. He wants to wear it in the picture. Maybe you can help us find his hat. Where could it be? Let's look here. Do you see Goofy's hat? Pluto finds a boot. Daisy finds ice skates. But Goofy's hat is not here. Where did Goofy lose his hat? Let's look here. Do you see Goofy's hat? Minnie finds a hat. It has flour on it. It does not look like Goofy's hat. Goofy's hat is not here. Where did Goofy lose his hat? Do you see his hat anywhere, guys? I don't see it. I see a squirrel, tree, windmill. This is Pete. Does he have Goofy's hat? Is that it? Pete has tons of hats. I don't see Goofy's hat though. Pete does not have Goofy's hat. Where did Goofy lose his hat? Look, there's Goofy's hat, but it's hopping. A hat can't hop. Why is Goofy's hat hopping up and down? A frog has Goofy's hat. Thank you, Frog. You found Goofy's hat. Let's go back to the clubhouse. Everybody smile for the camera. Goofy can smile now too. He is happy. Goofy has his hat. Thanks for reading with us today, guys, on Kids Dream Toys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. Gracias.